Right, hello AP Computer Science students. Today is Wednesday, January 6th, and we're just going to continue our study of arrays. Pretty straightforward. If you look in today's folder, we're just doing some array algorithms, and I think it'll have you do some coding with me. Yeah, I'm sure it does actually. So here's the videos on it, and then you're just going to be doing some common algorithms related to arrays, and these are pretty important. You'll do a lot of looping here. It's one of those things again where you can like pause the video, do some coding, watch more of the video, pause it, do some more coding, right? So it'll kind of walk you through some stuff. So you'll need some sort of editor and then go through these videos. All right, I believe that is it. Good luck, and as always, reach out if you have questions. If you do get some extra time, you could start work on some of these programs. Right here, you should be able to do the first couple probably after the end of the day. So that is it. Thanks for watching.